first you go and look at screen, select the screen mirroring, this thing.
First your source.
You just show the remote control. So this is the touch.
Yes,
So
touchpad, sir.
Okay. And it has voice control. also.
Voice control also, volume, channels.
Okay.
You can also remote. You can use remote this one. All means multi remote. So
Okay.
you can use it Tata Sky also.
All right.
Tata Sky, set-top box, everything.
Okay. So you go into the screen sharing
Source. First is source.
source and then you select.
Screen mirroring.
Okay.
ओके जस्ट फिर उसमें फ़ोन में आपको मेनू देन
So select that app.
सेटिंग
Okay.
मोर सेटिंग ऑल शेयर कास्ट
All share cast. Okay.
space you can connect it to TVs.
So select the TV. Okay. So
Yes,
connecting to
LED 55 connecting. Android 790E is now connected. So
Okay. So it's whatever you see on this now will be mirrored onto the screen.
yes, sir.
Okay. So this works with the only this is the Samsung
Samsung Note 2 S3 and above phone, sir.
Note 2 S3 and above.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You can also play video,
Okay.
photos, music, game also.
Can you just show the swiping? Yeah. Okay. So it takes some time to register.
Yes.
Okay. थोड़ी देर बाद होता है वहाँ पे.
हाँ क्योंकि ये विदाउट वाईफाई से गया ओनली वाईफाई डायरेक्ट से कनेक्ट होता है
अच्छा. So it's connecting via Wi-Fi.
विदाउट वाईफाई
Without
नो
Wi-Fi.
इंटरनेट कनेक्शन
So it's connecting via
वाईफाई डायरेक्ट
Wi-Fi direct.
यस
Okay.
ओनली फॉर सैमसंग सेल फोन
Okay. 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 So the other thing is the gestures on this. So
Yes,
can you show me?
so disconnect all share cast is and connection
So then you go back to source.
yes
Or you go to
oh so voice
Okay.
smart hub
Okay. So voice activation.
yes
Alright.
you can choose a web browser Facebook Skype
Okay.
Skype
Could you just show just the three modes that are there on the top?
which one sir 1 minute sir
Yeah. So this is one screen. So there are
Yes.
three screens total, right? So
Yes.
this is the app screen.
app screen
This
sir,
is the social media screen.
smart interaction
Smart
इसमें
interaction.
आपका फेसबुक के जो भी रिकमेंड वीडियोस फोटोज
वो सब
फ्रेंड्स ने लाइक किए
Okay. All everything will be okay.
एंड स्काइप में अगर आपने किसी को
So your
call किया-
latest access जो आपने किया है,
Yes,
that all is
notification
visible.
है,
Okay,
yes.
notifications.
And
Okay.
स्काइप में आपने जिसको कॉल किया या इनकमिंग कुछ
Okay, so recent calls. Okay, fine.
recently calls
Okay, fine.
And इसमें
And the third screen is this is
Samsung apps.
This is fine.
इसमें आपको
And
1000 जो है तो एप्स दिए
Okay.
750 ग्लोबली एप्स हैं एंड 250
Indian.
इंडियन है सर
the third one,
थर्ड वन इज फोटोज
photos.
फोटो
contents.
वीडियो म्यूजिक रिकॉर्डेड टीवी ऑल कंटेंट
Okay.
जिसमें अगर आपको फोटोज वगैरह कोई आपने चूज़ किया है
अच्छा।
आपको मोशन रेट से बता देता हूँ मोशन
Okay. Yeah, just show the motion on it. On the Samsung Series 8 Smart TV.
7 सीरीज 8 सीरीज
7 series and 8 series पे available है, but this is the Series 8 Smart TV. So yeah, so okay.
So you know the 1.2 gigahertz and 1.4
Okay, so you can see him moving his hand and okay.
The only thing I have
So the pointer is moving. This gesture is for? This gesture is for
और ग्रैब्स
grabbing. Okay. And how do you zoom?
just second hand to sense then first right grab second
Okay.
you can rotate also rotate
Okay. Now if you want to get out of
yes
if you want to get out of this screen with the gesture.
just return
Okay.
you can slap also
Okay, so you just do that and as you can see, the response is not very fast, but
Because of lighting problem, so that's
there's a lighting issue also.
Yes.
Okay. Does this have a storage inside the TV?
no. This is a flash memory, sir.
Flash memory, but
Yes, sir.
how much GB?
That part.
1.5, sir.
1.5 GB flash storage. Okay.
And you can
So all the apps that you see in the app, this thing, those are all downloaded onto that flash storage.
Flash memory.
Okay, fine.
Downloading.